For this purpose, I have selected an example. These are 13 salaries of the employee. The weekly salaries of 30 employees are given in this particular table, and we have to find mean, median, a mode, a standard deviation, and the variance, and we will use Microsoft Excel for this purpose. So how we are going to do that, let's see. We go to the Microsoft Excel. I already entered these 13 salaries in the sheet, and now I'm going to show you how we can use Microsoft Excel to find the required descriptive statistics. It can be done in a various way, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel data analysis Toolpak. That's the thing which I want to show you. It can be done in a different way. There are multiple ways we can do that, but let's see. Before we can use a data analysis Toolpak, we have to make sure that that data analysis Toolpak is an add-on which is already available to us. Once I go to the data options, I don't find here that particular options. In order to bring data analysis Toolpak here, it's an add-on. We have to do this. We go to the file, we go to the options, and on the left side we have an option called add-ins, right? Click add-ins. And then here we have a manage add-ins. You have a manage add-in, click go. Once you click go, this add-in dialog box appear. You just select the first one, analysis Toolpak. Click this one and press OK. Once you do that, you find this add-on is now created. This is now available for the Microsoft Excel. I hope you know the idea of the add-ons. These are basically software which work with the main software, and they increase the functionality of the main software, right? They are separate programs, but they work with the main program, and they increase the functionality. Right. So how we're going to do that, once we have this data analysis Toolpak, what you do, you click that, and you have many options available here. There are a lot of options available, ANOVA and correlation, covariance, and there are a lot of things. But what we are interested in descriptive statistics. It's already selected, so you select descriptive statistics and press OK. And once you click this OK, this descriptive statistics dialog box appear. First, he is asking input range. He is asking, where is your data? This means, where is your data? Your data is in the first column. So you start from here and select all the way up to these 13 salaries, like this, right? And here in this checkbox, he's asking, do you have the label in the first row? You can clearly see my first row contained the label. It's a name of the variable called salary. So I check this, yes, my first row contained labels. Then in this portion, he's asking where you want your output to come. Where you want your output to come. You select this one and tell the Microsoft Excel where you want your output. Click here, bring the cursor here, and now you click anywhere in this sheet where you want your output to come. You press this one and you see the address is copied here. The final step is to select this summary statistics. Just select that summary statistics. Now all is set to find these descriptive statistics. Press OK. Once you press OK, all the required information comes. We have a mean, we have a mean, we have median, we have mod, we have a standard deviation. You have to fix this, increase the size. We have the standard deviation, we have the variance. Its variance is nothing but simply the square of the standard deviation. And a lot of things are skewness, kurtosis, range, maximum value, the minimum value, and the number of observation. So this is such a nice place that you give the data and you get a lot of information regarding that data. That's why it's called a descriptive statistics. I hope you are able to understand this. Thanks for watching.